Hello, Julie here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a flip through of this album that I've created. I followed a tutorial by Scrapqueen and I decorated it using this pattern paper from DCWV called Navy Florals, and I used supplies from Craft Supplies for You to decorate the front. These are a stamp that I've stamped and cut out. So yes, there is a video showing how I decorated this page. I'll put a link to that in the description box below if you want to see how that was done. And now for the closure, we've got some crinkle ribbon just from my stash. And then this opens out onto a page. This front inside cover is just plain. This is some pockets that have some decorative paper on them, and this page opens out like this. In here we have another photo mat and one here, and this flap opens out this way with another pocket here, and down this way with a belly band here. This then opens, so we've got a nice photo area here for a 5x7 or something. Then this opens out with a pocket on the side here, and then this has got a pocket here and a pocket here with photo mats in it. Then that opens out that way. This then opens down, so like that. We've got a pocket here, and then that opens up that way with a little pocket there and a pocket there. And the same for the top, that concertina's out with a pocket here, and a plain photo space there and a pocket there. And the back of that page is a big photo mat here and little tuck spots there. Then that's page 1. Turn over. Page 2, we've got a diagonal, two diagonal pockets here, one there and one here that's holding two large mats. Here we have two small pockets that can hold journaling spots or photos, and then that opens out that way, giving us a large photo mat there. Place here where we can put two photos tucked under these things, these little strips. And in the centre here we have a belly band here that holds a couple of labels and some photo mats in the pocket at the back. That also of course has the other side, so a couple of pockets here as well. So that folds like that, and that comes back in like that. Then we've got a very plain page here with two label spots, two photo mat spots, and of course there's room on there for a large photo as well. Here we have a little photo mat or journaling spot. Then this opens out that way. Then this lifts up like this. And we have a little pocket there. Then this one folds down like this. And we've got another little pocket here and a photo mat here. This one is exactly the same, so we've got our tiny pocket here. It opens sideways. That one lifts up with a pocket there. This one comes down with a photo mat area and a pocket here. This then opens out sideways, and we've got another diagonal set of pockets here with the same two large photo mats in there, and a little photo mat here. Then we have a booklet in behind that belly band, so that's just plain, so you can put heaps of photos on that. And then we have a waterfall, which is kept pretty clear because once you put your photos on there, we don't want it opening too much. And then on the back we have a photo mat here. I've just cut around that picture and put our photo mats in there, and that goes back in there. And that's that. So there we have it, our mini album created using a tutorial from Scrapqueen, and I love the way that it just folds up into this very neat package. That is a very solid album. It doesn't fold in or crease or anything. It's really nice and firm. And for the sides, for the spine, I just made a little tassel and a little charm to go down there. On the back, I've just used up some scraps to make like a patchwork design, and I've used navy around all of the edges. So that's my album for today. I hope that you've enjoyed looking at my flip through. If you're interested in having a look at some of my other off the page projects, I will put a link in the description box below. And thank you for watching, and I hope you can click that subscribe button and see my next video. Thank you.